What's cooking, foodies? Today we are making my Auntie Elaine's homemade spaghetti and lasagna sauce. She makes this sauce in batches and freezes it to have on hand, as family members are always requesting a jar to take home. She gave me the recipe, so now you can make this in your home as well. Let's get started. This makes a big batch where you can freeze one half to make for spaghetti and freeze the other half to make for lasagna later. To a large pot, mine is a 12 quart, add 1 tablespoon oil and saute your mushrooms on medium heat till they cook down 5 to 7 minutes. Remove from the pan. Add another 1 tablespoon oil and add your hamburger. Season with salt and pepper. Add your chopped onions and cook down 5 to 6 minutes. Drain the grease from your pot. Add 2 tablespoons minced garlic and cook for 1 minute. Add 1 cup red wine and cook till reduced by half, about 3 to 5 minutes. Add your tomato paste first and mix well with the meat. Then add the rest of your tomato cans, including your Prego sauce, and mix well. Add your sauteed mushrooms back to the pot. Remember, if you do not like mushrooms, they are optional for this sauce. Add your oregano and chopped basil. Add your 1 cup shredded Parmesan cheese. Add 4 baby carrots. This will cut the acid and sugar in the sauce. Make sure to strain them out at the end. You're now going to want to go ahead and turn up from medium heat to high heat till it reaches a boil, then turn down to a medium-low to simmer. Make sure you're stirring off and on. Cook for about 2 hours. Pro tip, the longer the sauce simmers, the thicker and richer it gets. My aunt will let her simmer all day. We usually will freeze our batch. We put half in 1 ziplock bag for spaghetti and the other in a ziplock bag for lasagna for later in the week. Enjoy!